Hi, I'm Nadiya. Today I'm going to show you how to make tangy tacos with a crunchy slaw and creamy avocado mash using my tangy tacos recipe kit that I created in partnership with the flavor experts at Schwartz. So it starts off with my recipe kit. So let's open that up. Of course, something sounds quite satisfying about opening that up. It's like, oh yeah, dinner's on the go. Okay, so let's take our sachets out. Okay, so we've got our 3 seasonings. So first thing we're gonna do is start off by making our fish goujons. So I'm gonna add straight into this pan, I've got my tangy coating. This is definitely one of my, I say they're all my favorites. They're all my favorites. I love them all, but I really, really like this one because this has got garlic, it's got jalapenos. So it's got that hit, it's got that little kick, that little kiss of heat, but it's also got this kind of scent of orange in there that is so classic. Fruit and fish work really well together. And I'm telling you guys, this is gonna surprise you. This one you guys are gonna love. So get that seasoning in there. Okay. So I've got the seasoning in the dish and then just kind of spread that out. And then I'm gonna take white fish, so simple. Like to make goujons, it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to do an egg wash. You can make it really, really simply. And I'm gonna show you how. So we've got our seasoning in here and we've got white fish. So take the fish and just throw that straight in there. Now you can go for any white fish, cod, haddock, basa, you can go for whatever you fancy. Just coat it. Literally doesn't need anything. We're not gonna do an egg wash, nothing. We are gonna make life so easy. I mean, there is no going back now, guys. There just is no going back. Like this is the simplest, easiest recipe. Like get it properly coated, look at that. And then let's take a baking tray. Look at that, beautiful. No extra ingredients, no egg, no milk, nothing. Just beautiful seasoning, delicious fish. Okay, so that's that. Let's just pop this down here. Fully coated. Now I'm just gonna give this a quick spray of oil, and that's just gonna give us enough fat just to get it lovely and crispy on the outside without it becoming greasy. If you didn't wanna use fish, you could also do the same thing with halloumi, with chicken. It's like very versatile. And then let's pop that straight into the oven. And now let's make a really delicious slaw. Okay, so easy to buy, right? Straight out of a pot, so easy to buy, but even easier to make. So I've got mayonnaise. I'm gonna add that mayonnaise straight in there because like that's what I love about a slaw is that delicious, rich creaminess that you get from a slaw. Now, if you want something a bit lighter, you could go half and half. So half mayo, half Greek yogurt, or you could just go straight for Greek yogurt, whichever you fancy. But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna add flavor and tons of it. So the next seasoning is going to really amplify the flavor of your slaw. It's so simple, it doesn't need very much. But when you add this, like it's like, wow. Like and I love the combination. We've got oregano, we've got garlic, we've got bell pepper, and it's such a versatile seasoning. So, so good. Can be used in so many different ways, but perfect for slaw. So get that open. So let's get that in there. What I love about this seasoning, you've got the bell pepper flakes, you've got the garlic flakes, it's got a lovely texture to it. So just get it all, mix it all up. Okay, now I'm going to add shredded red cabbage. So I'm gonna get that straight in there. And then just to add some sweetness, I love a coleslaw when it's a little bit sweet. So you normally get that sweetness from a carrot, but I want to keep this as simple as possible using ingredients that we have got at home. And so I've just gone for straight green apple, like a little bit sharp, a little bit sweet, juicy, yummy, get all of that. And notice I didn't even peel it. No need. Like, let's enjoy the fiber. Let's get it all in. Now give all of that a really good mix till it's all really well combined. Okay, so the slaw's done, the fish is cooking, and now let's make our avocado mash. It's the clue's in the word, avocado mash, but we are making a fruity avocado mash. It's going to be stunning. So lay it on its side, and then it's got a stone in the middle. Get your knife through it, and then you can feel that stone in the middle. So work your knife around that stone till you get all the way around, and then firmly just kind of twist. And what you get is your avocado flesh, you've got stone on one side and hollow on the other. And so let's scoop it out, really easy to scoop out. Okay, so just tap it and then just twist the seed. And if it's ripe, it should just come straight out. And then scoop the inside of the avocado out with a spoon and do the same with the second one. Okay, so now just using a fork, just smash that avocado. Use the back of a fork or a potato masher if you want. And I like to leave my avocado mash just a little bit chunky. So just smush it up so it's chunky in places, smooth in others. I mean, this could just, like this, delicious avocado mash, but we are gonna add our next sachet of flavor. This is our mango, lime, and coriander. And this is what is gonna give it that delicious fruity burst. Rip that open, get that in, smash it up. And this has got mango, it's got coriander, it's got garlic. As soon as you mix the seasoning with the avocado, you really get the mango, like really intense. Oh, it's so fruity. So smush that up. Slaw's done, avocado mash is done. Gonna get the fish out of the oven and we are gonna put these tacos together. Look at those, crispy on the outside, succulent in the middle and full of flavor. So let's put these tacos together. Now, I've got everything I need. I've got my fish, my avocado mash, my slaw, and I've got some taco shells. So I'm gonna take my avocado and just smush that into the middle. Grab my slaw and whack that on top. Loads of slaw. And this is the kind of thing you want to make when it's like center of the table, everybody get in, get your hands in and just enjoy. This is the kind of thing you want to make. Okay, so grab our fish and that's it. It's as simple as that. Delicious, tangy fish tacos. This is a crowd pleaser. Now you can take your taste buds on a taste adventure. With the trusted flavor of Schwartz and my helping hand, you can feel confident that your next meal is going to be a real hit. Take your pick from recipe kits, mixes, and seasonings to bring effortless flavor to everyday meals. Find more delicious recipes and learn about my exclusive range with Schwartz at schwartz.co.uk. God, aren't you feeling accomplished already? Now you're cooking.